Just doing a quick video of the underneath the hood here, just so we can get a good view of everything. Newer battery. Belts. Closes easily, opens easily too. Guard on the front is in pretty good condition. There's some places where they put some stickers on the back, but trim looks good. Yeah, this is a super cool truck. Let's see if we can get a glimpse of the plastics and stuff, or the trim, rubber trim pieces and everything on this side. Yeah, it looks like it's in really good condition. Camper looks good, fiberglass, and then the other portion here, as we saw, had some surface rust, but yeah, this is super cool. Tie downs. You can check out this 1987 Ford F150 at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. I can help you with payments if you're looking to do financing. We can finance with your bank really easily. I just need to send over a vehicle order for them. Should be done same day, super easy. We're not taking trades on this particular one, as this is a consignment, but it runs and drives great. It shifts good. And again, I can put more information in the description below, but seems like a really good rig for someone. Thanks, guys.